You look like a big girl.
No, I want to be big girl, Mommy.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a little girl.
Well, you want to go back outside?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it's hot out there.
Well, that's why I put your hair up.
I do not want to put my hair up.
You want to go outside with your hair up?
No, I do not. I want to go outside with my hair down.
But you said it's hot outside.
I want my...
Why don't you want to go outside right now?
Because I want my hair up. I want it down. I want my hair down.
But you look like a big girl.
I did not, Mom.